Welcome to Inspire Ignite, where we empower you to ignite your financial journey. In the world of investments, there's a common problem that plagues many: stagnant returns. Despite hours spent researching, analyzing, and strategizing, many investors find their portfolios barely inching forward. Their hard-earned money seems to be stuck in a time loop, with traditional investment methods offering minimal gains. Consider this: you've invested in blue-chip stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and yet the returns are hardly satisfactory. Why? Because the financial market is a complex beast, unpredictable and often volatile. The traditional investment strategies that once promised steady growth are no longer as effective in today's fast-paced digital economy. As a result, many investors find themselves in a constant search for alternative solutions, innovative strategies that can help them maximize their profits and truly make their money work for them. Traditional methods often yield minimal gains, leaving many seeking alternative solutions to maximize their profits. But fear not, our solution lies in the revolutionary ChatGPT AI trading MEV bot. This isn't your average trading bot. The ChatGPT AI trading MEV bot is a state-of-the-art solution built to optimize your financial gains. It's like having a Wall Street expert in your pocket, only more efficient and available round the clock. Let's take a closer look at how this works. The bot uses sophisticated algorithms and machine learning to analyze market trends and fluctuations. It's constantly scanning and interpreting vast amounts of data, seeking out the most profitable trading opportunities. This isn't about guesswork or gut feelings. It's about leveraging cutting-edge technology to make informed, strategic decisions. What sets this bot apart is its ability to adapt. As the markets change, so does the bot. It learns, evolves, and adjusts its strategies based on real-time market conditions. This dynamic approach ensures it stays one step ahead, maximizing your potential returns. But it's not just about making smart trades, it's also about minimizing risk. The bot is designed to navigate the often turbulent sea of the financial market with an unwavering focus on preserving your investment. It carefully balances potential gains with risk levels, ensuring your investment isn't exposed to unnecessary peril. So, let's recap. The ChatGPT AI Trading MEV bot is a game-changer in the world of financial investment. Powered by advanced algorithms and machine learning, this bot navigates the volatile market with precision, identifying lucrative opportunities in real time. Still skeptical? Let the numbers speak for themselves. We've seen an overwhelming response from our users, with testimonials pouring in about the exceptional profits they've made. Some have reported earnings surpassing 40% in a single day. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. One user shared their story of turning a modest investment into an impressive sum in just a few short weeks. Another found success in diversifying their portfolio, maximizing their returns through a variety of trades. These are real people like you and me who've taken the leap and are reaping the rewards. They've experienced firsthand the power of our ChatGPT AI trading MEV bot, and their success stories are testament to its capabilities. So the question isn't whether the bot can deliver on its promise. The evidence is clear. The question is, are you ready to be part of the success? Here's a glimpse of the remarkable returns our users have experienced with our ChatGPT AI trading MEV bot. Are you ready to take action? Here's what you need to do. First and foremost, become a part of our community by signing up for our ChatGPT AI trading MEV bot platform. It's a simple process that takes no more than a couple of minutes. Once you're in, you'll be welcomed into a world of high-tech, high-reward trading like you've never seen before. Next, it's time to customize your trading preferences. The ChatGPT AI Trading MEV bot is designed to adapt to your unique financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a cautious investor who values stability or a daring trader who craves volatility, our bot can be tailored to suit your style. All you need to do is adjust the settings to reflect your trading preferences, and you're all set. Now, the final step, the most exciting part. Sit back, relax, and watch as your passive income begins to grow. With the ChatGPT AI Trading MEV bot, you don't have to constantly monitor the market or make complicated trading decisions. Our bot does all the heavy lifting for you, identifying the best opportunities and executing trades with precision, all in real time. So why wait? Dive into this exciting world of AI trading and start reaping the benefits today. Remember, every moment you wait is a potential profit you're missing out on. So sit back and watch as your passive income grows consistently day after day. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to revolutionize your financial future. The world of finance is evolving, and so should your strategies. Our ChatGPT AI trading MEV bot offers a dynamic solution, one that combines the power of artificial intelligence with the promise of consistent gains. It's your turn to step into the future and embrace the possibilities. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Subscribe to Inspire Ignite and start your journey towards financial freedom today.